Experiencing issues with ALDI Mobile's international roaming? Let's address activation problems first. Roaming must be activated before you travel, so ensure you've requested activation through the ALDI Mobile app or by calling customer service at 1-855-253-4734. Activation can take up to 24 hours, although occasional delays are reported. To prevent issues, activate at least 72 hours before your trip. Confirm your IMEI is correctly registered with ALDI. An incomplete registration or unpaid balance will also cause issues. After activating, you should receive an SMS confirmation. If not, contact customer service to ensure the process is complete. A case study from 2024-2025 showed that activation delays can happen in Asia, potentially requiring a refund for overage charges. So proactive activation is key. If your ALDI mobile roaming is active but you're still not getting data, the APN settings are likely the culprit. The default APN for ALDI Mobile is wholesale, with a blank username and password, MMS proxy of 0.0, and MMS port 80. If this doesn't work, you may need to manually set the APN to the host network's APN in the country you're visiting, such as VZ Winternet for Verizon or Phone for AT&T. Incorrect APN settings prevent your device from authenticating with foreign towers, causing a no data error. After changing the APN, toggle airplane mode on and off or restart your device. Some devices like Android Pixel 8 might need carrier-specific tweaks, such as fast.tmobile.com for AT&T hosts. Remember to back up your settings before traveling and test in-store if possible. AI-driven troubleshooting is also emerging in apps to diagnose APN issues automatically, potentially making this process easier in the future. According to user surveys, APN issues are the most common fix needed for roaming problems on ALDI Mobile.